to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I am Shakay, and this is the start of our weekly vlog. So yes guys, it is Sunday, we are fresh, and I know I did not post anything last week, but I'm sorry, but I don't know, last week just went by so quickly. After I was on camp, I was just so tired, I was exhausted. But I stayed home for the entire weekend, so I am fresh. Hope I'll be energized, so I'll be able to, give you guys the quality vlog. But yes, guys, so that phone. Okay. So yes, guys, right now my sister's not here because she went to her friends for her baby shower. Yes, so it's me, my mom, and my dad alone. Mom, are you gonna get it? Okay. So right now it's so bleaky outside. I don't even know what's happening. Yes, last night it rained. I heard the rain last night, and it's still bleaky, so I'm thinking probably it's still gonna rain. I don't know. And I'm looking, y'all, can you imagine? I do my ear like last week, don't? And look when already. So we can't stand my ear sometime, but that's how it is. Oh yes, so me change up my room again. I don't know, I get bored when my room is one way. So yeah, let me show you my room, give me a sec. Alright, so I did move my big bed, and well, not move it, I turned it because it was turned this way, like it was turned around. I did move that from Christmas, so this I turned around and I placed a different mat. So I placed the yellow mat, and my towel that I'm using I placed on this bed because I wanted that on that bed. I made this when I was in high school as a project in clothing. So yes, that's what I made. And yeah. Yeah, I'll show this now too. Oh yeah, this is okay. You can do it already. Hey. Hey guys, I am finally ready for church. I am heading over. It's quite windy, so I don't even know if you guys are hearing me. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. So yes guys, I'm now in church. And basically, happy Women's Day to all the women in the world. Guys, we are powerful. Just want to say we are making moves. We just need to work on, stopping violence against women. Hey guys, as I was saying before, it is International Women's Day, and yeah, so I just got back from church. Just want to say, guys, to embrace the woman in your life. If you're a woman, embrace who you are. Happy International Women's Day. Yeah, so I just got back from church, basically. Yeah. Oh yes, we get new shoes. I'm my dog. I'm gonna show mommy. So this is a shoe. It's like a beige shoe, basically. But just get it. Kind of like it. So I'm gonna show mom. I do have, I think, about 2 videos because I did not vlog last week. So I'm gonna upload a video for you guys on Tuesday. Showing you how I edit my videos using my phone. So if you're interested in seeing that, please check my previous video out. So yeah, but I'm trying to figure out the angle that I want it and all of that. So I need like a video setup that I will know that yes, every time I'm gonna sit down and do this video, this is how it will be, but I still have not figured it out. So yeah, it's raining. Never answer your meet though. Oh, you're called idiot. Hi mama. Happy Sunday.
Thank you.
Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Chicken. Chicken. By the fry?
Yep. But they are kind of big, some shopping.
No, they're not. Big enough. Good morning, guys. It is Monday and I'm heading out to work. If you guys can see, the skies are very gloomy and I have to go to work. What? Oh yeah. How are you exercising in the slippers? How that work? How that work? You need socks and shoes. Yeah, so yes guys, it is been windy from yesterday and it's rainy right now. I have to have on my sweater. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to work right now.
Get ready?
Hey.
Say ready.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes. Hi. What's up? She's gonna exercise without me. Yes, she come back. And she just come eat off my food.
Seriously? You know what Shakay said to me? Every vlog your sister do, you're always either cooking or eating, but some food is there. Move.
Hi Zan, shout out to you. Thanks for watching my vids. Hi Shad. She's angry. Whatever. It is Tuesday afternoon and the first coronavirus victim has been confirmed in JA. Now I am worried, like so worried, because if anybody knows, Jamaica ain't as big as other countries. It is a tiny dot compared to like China and US. So I think it's easier for Jamaicans to contract this disease because the place is kind of small. You have like a lot of people living in this compact area. Yeah, I like when the sun's going down. Me I walk backwards because the lighting better. But anyways, we still gotta live. We just gotta be prepared. So we are at church right now. We are having, what do I call this, homework session. So yeah. Good morning guys, it is Friday and yes, I know I look ratchet, but I just took down my braids. Yeah, this is the update. So Jamaican schools at the moment are closed because of the coronavirus. It there, and I'm scared as hell. I'm home, don't know what to do for the next 2 weeks, but yes, I hope you guys will stay safe. I don't know what I'm gonna do for these 2 weeks, but I hope that we stay safe.
It be terrible with you. I know, you know. I know it's terrible again the same. But I true then different apart.
Aren't y'all getting up?
No.
Boop. Hi dad.
Hey.
Boop. Hi mom. Hey girl, me hungry. When if you know say me hungry, you boop me belly, I'm hungry. Sure. Yeah.
You stick me in my side. You didn't boot me.
It's time to go find breakfast.
You know, say nothing still.
Yeah, business.
What?
You know, I get up to me here, it's a breakfast.
I show me that wipe with this sitting. No problem.
Sure. Unless you're crazy, why not show me?
Hey guys, yeah, update time. So for the day we have cleaned, so basically we cleaned everywhere, sanitized basically, well, mostly everywhere. We got the kitchen left, which we're doing currently, but yeah, my hair is still looking ratchet, but I did get it all pulled out, so I just need to wash it. So yeah, place is clean, just for the kitchen to be cleaned. which we are currently doing right now. Hi.
Hi.
How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Oh yes, we are cleaning. We are the coronized. Corona eyes.
Oh, where did I get my name from? Jesus. Please don't put up that key for me.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, let's check in with Dad. Hi. Hi. Oh man, Light, you're such a disappointment. Yes.
Carry extension and the charger can't give
You
me.
have to tell me camera hi first. Hi, Dad.
I got no video.
Hi, Dad.
No.
You're in our leave, so it don't make sense.
Bye,
Hi.
key.
Hi,
Yes,
Dad.
you sitting here, come get me. Got it?
Yes. Hi guys, so as I said, we have been cleaning. Shanik is finishing up the kitchen, then I'm gonna wipe it. But yeah, today has been a chill day. We have been thriving on basically doing nothing. But yeah, so I have been watching basically vlogs and YouTube videos from morning, so yeah. Where is she? She's somewhere swooping. But I've been watching my Remy, my Alicia Marie, my Dobert. Is it Dobert? No, Stokes twins. What am I saying? I've been watching my Stokes twins. You know, all those nice YouTubers I have been watching so far. So yeah. Guys, good morning. So it is Saturday. And yeah, I know I look bad, but it's just a part of life. Just a part of being me. So it is currently what, about 8 something right now. It's 8:46 and me just get up basically. Yeah, so I don't know what I do today. I know I have a video to film. I'm gonna film a video with my sister, which I might have to film and edit and upload today, so that's fun. So yes, guys, we got all these things to do. All right, so guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna go do some stuff. I'll see you in a bit. So sister is still sleeping. She's so cute. But mom and dad actually got up. So how are you doing?
Doing good.
Okay,
Keeping
what's cooking
fast.
today? What's that?
Well, I'm doing porridge.
What kind of
And I'm
porridge?
doing plantains.
Oh, what kind of porridge? Cornmeal?
Yes.
Yay. Wow, outside is bright. It's looking good for a Saturday. Let's see what happens for the rest of the day. Hey guys, what is up? So I just had breakfast and right now I'm just chilling, and then later on my sister and I were gonna film a video. So yeah, bye.